What's up, YouTube? After many years, we finally have a company making locking pliers in the USA again. Malco. I think this company's been around for like 70 years. They ended up buying the Bi-Script plant in DeWitt, Nebraska, and just started making locking pliers again. I believe they been making them from Snap-on for a few months now. And they just released these. This is their brand. You gotta get them off Amazon. These are on Amazon for a 47. No, that ain't right. These are on Amazon for $36.54. This is the one with a wire cutter on it. I wanted the one with the wire cutter, but they were sold out. The day these came out, I put them in my cart and went a couple hours later to order them, and they were sold out. The next day they was in stock again, sold out. So I think right now I checked, and I think 3 of them's in stock, and 1 of them's not. So if you get on Amazon and they're in stock, you better go ahead and order them, because they're selling out quick. Especially for $36.54, it's a good price for something made in America. Take a look at the box. It's part number. Made in USA. And I love the fact that they come in a box. I believe that's the way they used to come years ago. Genuine, made in USA. And these things are shiny. I mean, you gotta almost have sunglasses on to look at them. And check those teeth out. It's like shark teeth. They are sharp. The lock's easy. Got a little cross section at the top. Really, the bottom's the same way. Yep. A couple upgrades from the, I guess, the Bi-Script brand. The spring is coated. I don't know if it might be a little bit stronger. And this, you can put an Allen key in it for added strength. But I believe it takes a 1/4. Let's see, I got my SK Allen wrench. Yep, let's see if I can. 1/4. And it's got a special coating on it, just like the spring does. And it's not riveted. It's got a pin going through it. But yeah, these are, I didn't need these, but I made in USA and I wanted them. Well worth the money. Tell you that right now. Genuine, made in the USA. They had on the 7-inch, they got the ones with the wire cutters and without. This one has the wire cutters on it. I don't know what the price difference is. There may be one, there may not, I don't know. But I also picked up these 10-inch ones. They only have a 10-inch and 7-inch. Hopefully in the future they'll have more lengths. They're also gonna make locking clamps, I believe. And I think they're gonna make welding clamps according to the website. The box is pretty much the same, it's just bigger. I've been around since 1950. But I can't see on this camera, these things are shiny. Check the teeth out on this one. Got a little weight to them. Check those teeth out. These don't have the wire cutter, and these are on Amazon for $47.49. I believe the 2 I have here, the 2 that I have are in stock. on Amazon. Oh yeah, look at that. Don't even got no. It's just plain. I guess it's supposed to be like that. I hope so. Eagle grip. I mean, these things are beautiful. They're so shiny. Because I have my fingerprint all over them. Same thing. Upgraded spring. It's not riveted. It has a pin through it. That one, I believe, takes a 5/16, which I have. Yeah, so yep, 5/16. That's the part number. I believe I showed you on the box. There it is, LP10R. I said, if they come out with some more lengths, I will definitely be buying them. But I ordered these. I got these a couple days ago. I got them on a Saturday. Just now getting around to making a video on them. It's time to close the window.